Hello, my name is Ajit and in this video I will demonstrate how to backup your data to AWS Glacier by using a Synology backup services. So first of all, we need to know what is Glacier backup. So Glacier is a very low cost storage services which is provided by AWS to secure your data and you archive your data to the cloud. So if you have a critical data which you want to archive for a long term, so you can use the Glacier services on AWS. So let's start with the configuration. First of all, you need to create a vault in the AWS account. So you need to go to services. Under services, you need to go to S3 Glacier, or you can search here service called Glacier. You need to click on S3 Glacier console. You need to create a vault. You can give any name. I'm giving my test and region. You can select any region. So right now it's default to US. If you go to the top right corner, if you select a region called Asia Pacific, Mumbai, by default the location will change to Asia Pacific. So give the name my test. Next. So next option, if you want to enable an event notification of this particular bucket, so you can create it from here, otherwise leave it as a default one. Next step, submit. So now you can see your vault is created. So let's go back to the Synology box, go to the package center, and you need to install an application called Glacier Backup. Click on install. So once the application is installed, you can see under the installed category. So you need to open that. So now you can see there is no backup created right now. So next step is you need to go back to AWS account, go to services and create a dedicated user for this Glacier backup. Go to user. You need to create a user with the name of Glacier, or you can use any username. So right now I'm using Glacier username. So you need to select a Chromatic access. Next, you need to give the Glacier permission. Next, tags. So leave by default one. Click on review and create a user. So once the user is created, so you will get access key ID and secret key ID which we will use for the authentication. So now we go back to the Synology and we go to the backup tab and create a first task. Click on create. Next. So my task name is AWS backup, or you can give any name. So I'm using AWS backup. Checkbox. I understand the condition and started above. Click next. Now it's asked for the access key and secret key. So let's copy a access key from the AWS IAM account which we have created with the name of Glacier, and second is secret access key. We'll copy here, and the location where we want to store the data is Asia Pacific, Mumbai. If you want to enable the transfer encryption, you can do it, otherwise disable that option. Click next. So next it will ask for which type or which folder you want to take a backup to the AWS Glacier account. So I'll use a share folder. Under data I will select all the files and folder. Click next. If you want to schedule this backup, if you want to run this backup every Monday or every Tuesday or every weekend, so you can enable the option and select the basic schedule, otherwise leave as default. Next is once the wizard will complete, you will want to run the backup immediate. Click that. Next, apply. So you can see your backup is now backing up on AWS Glacier Vault. So it will take some time. So now the backup is successful. So let's go back to AWS account. Under services, I'll go to S3 Glacier, and you can see our backup is run successfully and stored in the Amazon S3 Glacier Vault. So this is the way you can backup any critical data to Amazon S3 Glacier Vault by using a Glacier backup application on Synology Box. So now let's discuss another options. If you go to the left tab, you can see option called restore. If you want to restore any task or share folder, you can click on restore and it will run a restore backup wizard. So this is the way you can restore the data from the cloud. So next option is explore. So you can see which backup we have run or which data we have run to the AWS Glacier account. So next we have an option called log. So here you can see all the logs related to the Glacier backup. So once the backup is complete, if there is any failure on the backup, you can see under the logs why it's get the failure. So this is the way, or this is the normal way you can run a task, a backup task from the Synology to AWS Glacier Vault. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe.